Hi all, today I'm here to share with you an important notification about lecture in computer engineering which is published in PSC website. This post is for technical education, government polytechnics guys. I saw the number of vacancies are 14. It's a very huge vacancy. Okay, and the last time they called for the lecture in computer engineering in 2018 or 2008 or 9, and they published the list in 2017 I think. So after these 10 long years, it's 10 to 12 years, it's a very huge vacancy. 14 for the people who are preparing for computer science lecture post, or the graduates in computer science. It's a very huge vacancy. We need only the qualification is first class bachelor's degree in appropriate branch of engineering or technology from a recognized university after undergoing a regular course of study. So basic qualification required in the order of preference: degree in computer engineering or degree in computer technology. I think that's making some confusion in guys. If there is any issue, they will notify us, because all are confused about we have only computer science and engineering degree, that is BTech in computer science and engineering and MTech in computer science and engineering, and they are showing it as degree in computer engineering and degree in computer technology. So they'll in the website, when we are applying through notification, we have to log in through one time tulasi.psc.kerala.government.in. We have to log in with username and password and the security code, and then you have to apply directly. You can apply directly because we already know the code 064/2021 from category number quick apply, and then they'll show that you are not eligible for this post because they'll show degree in computer engineering required. We have computer science and engineering, so you can use have higher education and above. So, that button you have to press it, then you have to select from the list BTech in computer science and engineering or MTech in computer science and engineering as the above higher qualification. Okay, and I think that that's not an issue because there is no the computer engineering. I don't know if there is any issue, they'll let us know that you are not qualified, but I think we are qualified because we have MTech in computer science and engineering. You had to apply guys as soon as possible, and it's very fast guys. So today is the last date, so you have to apply it very fast. Do it, go to the on-time registration site and then apply it very fast because okay, and then you have to keep a printout of soft copy of the application for the future references. Okay, that's already said in this notification, and apply it fast because today's the last date for all the notification which has been in the which is shown in this one. So it's very urgent to do it, and there is some other notifications also available, some other jobs notifications also available in the PSC. So do it fast. Today is the last date, and there will be a lot of time to study because of COVID-19 situation, and you can prepare with enough time as there. It's already, I think we will get 3 to 5 months to study, and we can do with previous year questions. We can crack this exam, and if you want to get this post, you have to qualify. You have to get the rank between 1 to 5. You need that rank because then only you'll get the job, because already only 14 vacancies are there, and also it might be in some other reservations might be there. Okay, and you have to have this, you have to score a high score, then only you'll get this job. And all the best guys, thank you.